Hello everyone and welcome if you are new here. My name is Alex Perkins and my channel is everything to do with mom life and country living. We are going to make a nice, tasty, high protein snack today. So it is protein cookie dough balls. These are one of my favorite snacks, one of my husband's favorite snacks, one of my mom's favorite snacks, and the kids love them too. I don't give them too much just because there is protein powder in it, but they are really yummy and they are super simple and easy to make. The ingredients are vanilla protein powder. I'm using this one. You need some nice clean salt. You need some maple syrup. I was just about out, so I'm borrowing some of my mom's protein powder. And then you need some peanut butter, the all-natural kind, but I get the stuff with the sea salt in it. It just tastes better, but you want it like fresh. So you want it to the point where it's drippy. This isn't completely stirred out yet, but you want it to be that drippy consistency for the best outcome. You are also going to need chocolate. You can do either chocolate chunks or chocolate chips. I'm going to do dark chocolate chips in mine. That just like the flavor better. You are going to start off with 1 cup of vanilla protein powder. We're going to use what we have left of this one. We almost had enough.
I'm just gonna pat it a little bit.
It smells good.
I want to smell it. Oh, so good.
Yep. So you are going to mix all of the ingredients except for the chocolate chips together to start. So you need 1 cup of protein powder. You need 1/2 cup of maple syrup.
Now can I dump it in?
That can be dumped in.
Oh. So.
And then you're going to need 1/2 cup of the peanut butter. While I'm waiting for my assistant, you also want to have a cookie sheet with some parchment paper ready, because once this is mixed and you add the chocolate chips, you're just going to, you can either use a tablespoon and scoop them out that way. I use a small cookie scoop. That can go in. Yep.
God, this is not working for me.
Get it all. I also add a couple cracks of a nice clean salt, and then I keep this around because we're also going to put some on top of the cookie dough balls when they are ready. And then I forgot that we are going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This makes for the best, like, actual cookie flavor.
We need this to make cinnamon balls. No.
And then we're just going to...
Can I mix it?
Yep. Mix it up.
Oh my God. This grapes is so sticky. Oh my God. You can do that. That's hard. You can do it. Oh, okay.
All right, so that's what your batter consistency is going to look like. And then we are going to add the chocolate chips.
Don't add too much.
It's 1/2 cup. There you go. You pour them in. You can have some in a minute. Yep. Thank you. And then you just want to fold the cookie, or the, you just want to fold the chocolate chips into your cooker dough. No, into your cookie dough batter.
Cookie dough batter.
And that's what we're looking like. All right, so we're gonna move on over here. We got our cookie sheet ready, and we're going to just hold it like this, please. Whoa, flying cookie dough. Grab it like that, and then we're gonna scoop it and put it on the side just like that, and then pop them down. You gotta kind of work quick because the batter is very soft. I normally do a double batch of this, but I was running out of protein powder, as you guys saw. I had to use my mom's.
Off that thing. Yes.
All right, so this is what we are working with now. Now I'm just gonna go and if any of them are kind of crazy looking, just flatten them a little bit so that they freeze kind of uniformly. There's a couple that are a little bit smaller, but that's okay. And then I will take my salt and just put a little on top. And then these will go in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. So good. So good. Mm. Mm. So another one of my favorite snacks that is high in protein is I do like a yogurt, a Greek yogurt protein dip that I use an apple to dip with. So you're getting some good fats and you're getting some good protein and you're getting a good carb. So I thought I would walk you through it. I don't really measure this anymore, but I'll give you rough measurements. I do about half a cup of yogurt. I use the vanilla Greek yogurt. You could use high protein yogurt for a little bit more protein or whatever flavor you would like. I do like the tiniest little, probably like a teaspoon of maple syrup. About 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You could use peanut butter powder too if you wanted. You just might have to do a little bit more maple syrup or a little bit more yogurt to be able to absorb the powder. Couple cracks of nice clean salt. I use the Redmond's Ancient Sea Salt. I will have that linked below. Whoa! And then whatever protein powder you would like. I highly recommend a chocolate protein powder, but you could use vanilla if you would like. But this is like a chocolate peanut butter apple dip. So I do about half a serving of protein powder. You could do more if you wanted to, but I would recommend doing more yogurt then. And then you just mix it all together. There you have it. This is such a yummy snack. Honestly, it's so good that when I make it, my kids try to eat it. And if I happen to have to walk away for a minute or to grab anything, it will be gone. They eat this stuff by the big spoonful if you let them. And then we're just going to cut up our apple. And yes, I washed this apple before I started cutting it up. Right, so got my dip, got my apple slices. This is so good. This is, I find, a really nice way to get some added protein in, but you're also getting some good clean fats and a nice carb. With it, the apple is sweet enough. This is a Fiji apple, if anybody's curious. But this is just such an amazing tasting snack to me. Like, it almost tastes like you're eating, I don't want to say like cheesecake, but it has that kind of texture to it and that, I want to say, that little bit of density to it, but in a good way. This is something you could easily meal prep into containers and pack in a lunch, either for yourself or your spouse. Yeah, it's just super quick, super easy. We did that in like no time at all. Those are two of probably my favorite protein snacks that I make. I make quite a few more. So if you would like those recipes as well, comment down below and I will make a second video with a couple more snacks in it. Well, I think that's going to be it for today. I hope this helped you. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.